Thanks for tuning in to Essential RC. So this is the day I'm trying out the head-tracked DJI FPV system in the FMS A-10 version 2. So it works pretty well. We did a short test flight last time in the last video with me flying and Jason wearing the goggles, and that worked pretty well. So now we've got to bite the bullet, and I've got to try and fly it FPV. So I only think flying FPV, fixed wing FPV, is interesting if you're following or chasing someone rather than just doing a flight solo. So Carl has kindly offered to fly his FMS. It's FMS Hawk, yeah?
Yes, yeah.
FMS BAE Hawk in the red arrow scheme. So we'll see how we get on. Again, it could be a disaster, and I might not get close. And actually, it's your first flight with a remaiden, did you say?
Yeah, it's basically a remaiden. I've changed the fan in it. I put a free wing fan in to see how that one goes.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Good luck then.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Right, ready, go.
Ready?
Yeah. There's a lot of vibration on the ground, so I've no idea where you are.
He's just coming in front of you now. Low pass across the patch. You should be able to see him, Dom.
You got me?
No, do you know that little bit of perspex in the front doesn't help a great deal, I have to say.
That's it. Nice and slow, and Carl's going to catch up with you. Right. Turn in now, Dom. Slowly and low.
Oh, I've gone out further this time.
Yeah, Carl's gone out further than you. You're at opposite ends of the field now. Right, Dom, if you do a slow right and come down the patch, and then Carl, you turn in and come past him.
Yeah.
Right, now you should be able to see him. You got him? Yeah, Dom, you need power, Dom.
Turning in now, coming back.
I better think about gear down.
Going gear down, flaps down, coming around.
happened there?
You haven't got a nose of an aeroplane anymore.
Haven't got a nose?
No.
So here I am back at base. We didn't record a wrap up at the flying field. We were a bit too consumed with picking up all the broken bits. And a little disheartened at the result, actually. I thought it would go a lot better. But actually, on reflection, I think we learned quite a lot. The first thing, obviously, that upset me was that I broke the A-10, but it has gone back together quite well, to be honest. There wasn't a lot that was broken. The front retract got pulled out, and that was easily fixed, and there were just a couple of cracks here and there that have been glued back together. And the nose got pulled off, but you can see that actually looks quite good. So that was the first thing. So feeling better about that. In terms of the flight experience, the one thing that put me off right at the start was my visibility through the canopy. And I think the mistake I've made is leaving that bit of plastic, transparent plastic there. That needs to come out. I can't have anything that is vaguely distorting my view through to, you know, directly forwards. And that was what was making it really difficult for me to spot where Carl was. The second thing was that I'm trying to fly and keep up with a totally different jet, and Carl is a relatively fast flying pilot. He's flying what I think is probably a faster jet, and I'm flying the A-10, which is very draggy, although it has 2 fans. So a total mismatch and hard to keep up. So not dissuaded from this project, certainly. A few improvements to be made, but I think next time I'm going to fly with another A-10. A few other members of the team have A-10s, and we'll try and fly those together. The other thing is that this pan tilt mount that I put together from a modified pilot from Motion RC, it looks good, but functionally it's not the best. It's certainly not as good as what we've got in the Flightline Spitfires that we've converted to FPV. So I've ordered another one of these canopies, cockpit and canopy pieces, and I'm going to modify that with the same essential RC designed pan tilt mechanism, and that will enable more pan angle and more tilt angle as well. So I should be able to look back across the wing if I need to. I think the one other complication as well was judging the landing speed. I don't think I actually got it that far wrong. I just didn't apply enough power at the end to, you know, but the descent rate was pretty good. Again, it was a visibility problem that prevented me from seeing the ground at the point where I needed to power up and just flare for that final landing. So we'll try it again in the near future after making a few modifications. Thanks for watching this one. If you're interested in our projects, and we're doing more and more of these head-tracked FPV projects, got lots of very interesting things coming along that we're going to be converting to FPV, even some bigger aircraft. So please subscribe, and if you do, then don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications. And if you enjoy our videos, then please give us a thumbs up. It makes a big effect on the YouTube algorithm and our videos being searchable by other folks who might be interested. So thanks for watching this. See you next time.